but shows His glory shining there. Christ in every living face, in every form of human grace. No difference dims, no beauty small, for Christ's own light shines through them all. Christ in rainbow, sky and sea, in boundless varied unity, each color held, each life adored, a living canvas of the Lord. Christ delights in every hue, in all that's vibrant, rich and true. No shade denied, no beauty slight, all cherished in His radiant sight. Praise Christ, whose glory fills the whole, in every color, every soul. In Him all differences unite and shine as one.